Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos a week, all different stores. I love bargains, I love shopping for deals. That's my jam. So definitely subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back, thanks for coming back. Yeah, also, got my hair cut, and it's straightened. Who would have thunk? But yeah, so also, we're so close to 500 subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, share, do whatever. Yay. But anyway, today's video is going to be a little Five Below haul. Went to Five Below, I found some new items, and I'm hyped for it. So if you like shopping, subscribe, and let's get into the Five Below haul. Okay, first off, we got this room-to-room cloud shelf. And I like this because you don't have to hang it, like you can just sit it on like a table or vanity or whatever. So I'm hyped. They had this in purple, and if I like it, like when I set it up, I'm gonna probably get the purple. But for now, I just got the pink, and once I set it up, I'll do like a short video on it. But so, we got this cloud shelf. Cute. Then I got this fast food stationery set. You get 14 pieces in here. You get a tape roll, sticky note, erasers, pens, paper clips. So, should we open it? I'm curious on what we actually get. So, let's see. Okay, cool. Okay, so here's the clips. Here's the... Oh, look at that. Notepads. So, these are pretty cool. So, that's that. Cool. Then, I got this 16-piece retro refrigerator, like, mini brand set. I'm so hyped for this because, as we know, I love mini brands. So, for this, like, I'm so hyped about it. So, I definitely want to open this up. We're going to do this at the end of the video, though, so I can open it up. Then, next up, we got the little Hello Kitty blanket. It was $5. Look how adorable. I'm in, like, the Hello Kitty era, just like the rest of the world, as you can tell. So, yeah, we got little Hello Kitty blanket. Then, I was hyped about this. This is the Gummy Bear Bluetooth speaker. I feel like it's easier to take it out of the box. To show you guys. Because, like, the reflection is just not it, girl. As you can tell. I don't know how to open anything, like, nonchalantly. Or, like, cleverly. Okay, here we go. Sorry for the noise. Look how big it is, and you can, like, suction it. So, here's our little Gummy Bear speaker, and then it comes with, like, the wires and directions. Okay, next up, we got some new mirrors. So I'm not gonna blind you guys, that's why I'm showing you guys, like, this, but we have, like, the wavy mirror, and it's this pink color, this new pink. Then, the next one, yeah, I don't want to blind you guys, that's why, is this new blue color wavy mirror. So, as you guys know, I got the light pink and white in my last haul, but now they came out those two new colors, and I had to snag them. So, that's really it, but we're gonna open the retro thing, and do it, so, and then we get delicious waffles, ice cream, soda pop, Caesar salad, ketchup, chicken eggs, apples, butter, popsicles, cube of cheese, some lettuce, purple grapes as we drop them. Chocolate milk. Smoked bacon. And some, what is this? Oh, water. So that is everything we get in our retro fridge, and then it has a freezer, which are ice cream. This ice cream goes in our freezer, and I think what else goes in the freezer? I think the popsicles go in the freezer. So there's our little freezer. Then in this little drawer, put our lettuce. Oh, maybe if it. Our lettuce and our grapes. Then you guys get the point that I cannot get the lettuce in here. There we go, and then that goes down there. Maybe. This is like more complicated than I thought. What the heck? Okay, I must be that. Okay, whatever. And everything else got in there. Okay. Then I'll show you guys what's in this stationery set. We get little hamburger notepads, 2 French fry pens, little pickle chip notebook thingy, some tape, some fountain drink notepads, tomato ketchup eraser, yellow mustard eraser, and then like all different foodie clips. So as I do this, now that completes the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss my hauls. So, I will see you all later. Peace out.